Rollins.
Now, a command performance from the all-new Audi Tulsa at 42nd and Memorial. Luxury with energy. Muscle with class. Precision meets the street. Audi Tulsa will shift your thinking about driving. Powerful performance, peerless design. The all-new Audi Tulsa, brought to you by Don Thornton, 42nd and Memorial. Truth in engineering.
Hey friends, this is Roy Clark. Music can make a big difference in all our lives, especially for young folks. So let's keep Oklahoma's tradition of great music going strong for new generations. Support our Oklahoma Music Hall of Fame. So visit the museum in Muskogee's historic Frisco Depot and check out our website for concerts and special events. Oklahoma's great musical heritage. It's something every Oklahoman can sing about with pride.
Hi, I'm Don Thornton. Tulsa's my home, and Lexus is Tulsa's luxury leader. As a dealer, I've always been impressed by Lexus, but with the new GS and RX, I am truly amazed. They've raised the bar while other cars are still reaching for it. They set new standards in entertainment, convenience, and peace of mind. Technology that's really easy to use and performance that you'll absolutely love. You'll always get luxury and value at Lexus of Tulsa, 42nd and Memorial.
If you've been in the dark about buying a new car, Audi can shed some light on the subject. And the lights are on at the all-new Audi Tulsa location, providing you a better way to see innovation, luxury, and performance all under one roof. The fastest growing luxury brand in the world and in Tulsa is right here in our new facility. So not only are we lighting up the room, we're lighting up the highway. Audi confidence with a local name you can trust. The new Audi Tulsa by Don Thornton, 42nd and Memorial.
Feeling powerless? Get connected. See the light with Harp Electric. Things are heavenly again. Out of your comfort zone. Don't sweat. Cool it with Harp Heating and Cooling. Things are heavenly again. All wet? Get your head above water. Go with the flow. Harp Plumbing. Things are heavenly again. Harp Electric Plumbing, Heating and Cooling for home or office. 24 hours a day. Call now for a free storm survivor kit. Harp.
This is you. This is your checking account full of fees. This is Sonny. This is Sonny suggesting SunWest Credit Union. This is you saying, I am not a member. This is free checking. This is you realizing anyone can be a member. This is Sonny nodding yes. This is looking like it might be for you. This is Sonny showing you free checking and free debit cards at SunWest. This is you wondering what you'll do with all the money you save with SunWest free checking. Discover brighter days at SunWest Credit Union.
I'm Blair Harp, and when it breaks, we fix it. We're in Broken Arrow, and it's not so much that it's broken, it wasn't done right in the first place. The homeowners thought they were getting a good deal. What they got was a heating and cooling system that didn't meet their needs. So Harp made sure it did. Call Harp for great service and the right system for your home, guaranteed. And that's not a bunch of hot air. Electrical, plumbing, heating, and cooling. Harp Services, 918-445-1600. Harp on, job done.
Congestion and allergies spring to life. Mowing the lawn, planting the garden, cleaning the attic, clogging the nose. Your nose knows that Lavi makes the only sinus care products that contain magnesium-rich salts found only in the Dead Sea. Lavi brings powerful, proven relief from swelling, congestion, and other allergy symptoms. Listen to your nose. Lavi, all natural, non-addictive, and clinically proven to be more effective.
Hi, I'm Don Thornton. The new Lexus ES is here, and it's time to go. A bold design with crisp, confident driving dynamics. A stunning interior, more room, more technology. Exhilarating handling magnified by advanced suspension. Precision performance without sacrificing ride and comfort. And we're not increasing the price, starting at $39,000. You'll always get luxury with value at Lexus of Tulsa, 42nd Memorial.
Elite athletes are not born, they're made. From superior training, gut-wrenching fortitude, perfect moves practiced thousands of times. It's what separates the winners from the also-rans. Elite athletes are not born, they're made.